John, you broke that precious vase. How could you be so careless?
I'm really sorry, sir. It was an accident. I didn't mean to break it.
You're always making mistakes, John. You need to be more careful with my valuable possessions.
Hey, David. I couldn't help but overhear your conversation with John.
What's it to you?
Well, I think it's important to treat everyone with respect, including your servants. They work hard for you, and accidents happen.
But they're used to it, right? That's how it's always been.
Just because something has always been a certain way doesn't mean it's right. Imagine being in their shoes, constantly criticized and humiliated for mistakes. How would that make you feel?
I guess not very good.
Exactly. Everyone deserves respect and dignity, regardless of their job or social status. And treating your servants better can lead to a happier and more productive environment.
You make a valid point. I don't want to be the kind of person who belittles others.
That's the spirit. It's never too late to change. Maybe you could apologize to John and let him know you appreciate his hard work.
You're right, I should. I'll make sure to do that. And from now on, I'll try my best to have good conversations with all my servants and treat them with respect.
That's a great step towards a more positive and respectful atmosphere in your home. I'm sure it will make a difference.
You know, I've never really thought about it this way. It's just that I've seen my parents and grandparents treat servants like this, and it seemed normal.
It's understandable that you learned from your family. But times are changing, and we should all strive to be better. Treating people with kindness and respect is a sign of true character.
Thank you for opening my eyes. I want to change for the better. Not just for me but for everyone around me.
I'm glad I could help. Remember, it's not just about words. It's about actions too. Small gestures of kindness can go a long way.
You're right. I'll start by apologizing to John and then make an effort to build a better relationship with all my servants.
John, I wanted to talk to you. I'm sorry for how I reacted yesterday. It was wrong of me to get so angry.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. I didn't mean to break the vase.
I understand it was an accident. And I should have been more understanding. From now on, I'll try to be more patient and treat you and the other servants with respect.
That means a lot, sir. We'll do our best to serve you better.
David, I've noticed a significant change in how you interact with your servants. You're doing a great job.
Thank you. I've realized that showing respect and kindness doesn't make me less of a person. It makes me a better one.
That's the spirit. And remember, it's not just about how you treat your servants. It's a reflection of your character in all aspects of life.
I'm committed to being a better person. Not just for myself but for everyone around me. And it all started with that broken vase.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.